Oh, there's some iguanas here. What's up, guys? What's up, guys? Jane Lamb here, bringing you a new video. As you can hear, I hear the alarms going off. Oh my god! I don't know if you can see it, but there's a fire alarm that's all the way down here. What you doing? Now, every time when me and my boss come over to this bank, I hear this alarm go off. Now we're going to go to the front of the building, since this has been abandoned, and see what kind of fire alarms this is. And Ryan, if you're listening, Ryan, if you're watching this, I'm trying to help. Oh, Edwards or Gentex. It's in Edwards. Oh, this is done. I don't know what happened or what's the backstory of this building, but as you can hear it from the top floor. Oh wait, you can actually see it from here. There's another fire alarm strobe that's going off right here. So Ryan, if you're watching this, the alarm is still going off, but I don't know what's going on, but I thought they already fixed it, but sounds like it's still going off. So I'll go ahead, go around to these buildings and get a photo. Now my boss has been saying this is an old school. I can hear the alarm. Oh, I can hear the alarm going off in here. Jesus fucking Christ. Those fucking iguanas. Education Alliance. Oh, that's funny. That fire alarm over there is not working. I can see this is an Edwards pull station. Building 4917. So, you guys hear it from me. If you guys don't see me posting another video, then you know I'm dead because someone is out to get me. Now, I'll go around to the front of the building one more time so you can see the alarms flash and sound. And I have to get out of here because I'm doing cool stuff for my dad right now and doing an errand for my boss Robert. So hope you guys might find this video interesting. Now from the angle over here, because right over here is usually where I stop, and glance over here. Oh, there's the strobe going off over here. So, oh wow. So yeah, Ryan, if you're watching this video, there you go. You see it and hear it first. Jay Lamb exploring what the fire alarm is going off for at this abandoned building.